TGT Stock Analysis Price Predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or now? Or just quick and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Well, by the way, having done well over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And generally speaking, with Target Corporation, this thing is actually, very interesting setup now, because it's steadily been just trying to, picking up. Most of the market went down, this thing still kind of stayed. I was looking to double down on this, and I still technically am, but like randomly buying is just not going to be happening. So all I just wanted to see was a little correction down. Doesn't even have to mitigate any demand zone. I was saying just want to be a part of this bullish movement. But if the price doesn't sort of, correct itself down, doesn't give rules, then there's just no way that I will look to buy randomly. You know what I mean? So that's how Target's looking like. And I do have a bunch of receipts for you beforehand as well. I mean, I got around 2 results right here as well. So let me know what is your opinion. I will obviously continue to keep you updated. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.